Qualified your NET examination, congratulations, but there is the elephant in the room. I have the certificate, but where is the job? Now we will discuss three important simple ways under which you can get teaching opportunities. Now note, it is important that we understand that it's on one side not a myth that with NET certificate there is no job. However, there is another way where we can explore options and opportunities. The only way is to stand away from the crowd. So what are the basic things that we would discuss in today's video is specifically targeted to teaching opportunities. In the next video forthcoming, we would focus on opportunities other than teaching that you can explore once you have your NET certificate. So the very first thing that we would focus on is teaching here. Now under teaching, there are three important options that you can explore. The very first option is a university position. Now of course, the university positions are not that frequent, and only a few of the students are able to qualify for the university positions. But again, you must be aware that there is a portal which is known as CU Chayan. That is a unified portal for central universities where you can apply for various central universities at a single location. Then again, going for employment news is a good option. Till the time you are not able to get a position or a vacancy for university, till that time you can explore opportunities as guest lectures, as ad hoc faculty. Now ad hoc and guest lectures work a little different. We have covered that in another video, you can refer that. But both of these are opportunities that can be availed in your nearby areas. So till the time you are applying for a university, waiting to get a position into university, you can have your work experience. Now note, once you are applying to your university, it's very important during the interview, there would be two things that would be taken into account. One is the API, which is the academic performance indicator. The second is your experience. So some of the students, even they qualify their NET, they keep sitting waiting for a position to open in the university, but during that time they have gained no experience certificate, so they won't be given priority when they would apply for the university. So it's important that you maintain your experience, be it in the teaching, be it in the research, whatever is your niche area, whatever is your interest areas, but pursue that constantly. The another important thing that you must remember is the opportunity with the PSCs. Now state PSCs, for example UPPSC, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, they release positions for the assistant professor positions for the state universities. Now these are some of the states that I have named, but there are many states which release the positions for assistant professor. Now for the position for the assistant professor for the state, many of them relax the need for the examination. Those who have qualified the NET can directly appear for the interview. Some of the states do mandate that they give the written examination, but that is again very similar to your NET examination. So if you have qualified your NET, that should not be difficult. Also, some of the states now have started with a written mode. For example, Haryana has released the subjective pattern for examination for the state PSCs. So those are again some of the things that you must take into account while you prepare for your job positions. So those are some of the government research or government teaching routes that we have identified. You can of course apply for private universities and actually explore careers there as well. So in the next video, we would focus on other opportunities besides teaching, what you can explore with your NET certificate. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining.